Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 2nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame. So the US dollar Swiss made a big push up throughout the Asian session and early London session today. Now, if this over here was the end of a correction, then this needs to keep on trending down. Now, the fact that it did turn up at a Fibonacci level and it did make an engulfing up is a bad sign. If the daily candle closes engulfing up, then I definitely will be looking at this move down as a pullback, and I will definitely start looking for longs more long term. But we honestly still can't rule out the possibility that this daily candle is just like a liquidity grab and it still ends up pushing back down. Doesn't really look like it right now, but we cannot rule it out. So going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement. I mean, obviously there was a really nice long today for sure, but if it goes to like a Fibonacci retracement level, and then makes like that double top breaker structure, or it makes like a nice big engulfing move to the downside, I definitely would still take it as a short just because the daily is technically still down and the weekly is definitely still down. So this move up right here could just be a pullback within a downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.